what's up? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka RockStarr, here, back with another video. And today we're gonna be having some fun. I'm actually in Arizona right now at the I Am Glendale event, and you know, so many people are flying in from all over around the US. We got people flying in from outside of the country, coming here to partake in what it is that we're doing this weekend. Today is actually day number 1, which is the live day, the Go Live day. So if you guys are not familiar with Go Live is the streaming platform for traders within the company where you can get on and pretty much learn live, kind of like Twitch, right? Live and in person from traders and educators that work with the company that are already like really killing it on the charts. So it's crazy because today we're gonna be focusing in on meeting the educators, learning from the educators, and having fun. But what I wanna do is I wanna go around to all of the students, right? And I know everybody knows, I mean, if you're on social media, you know all the pros of day trading. You know all the money, all the lifestyle, all the glitz, the glamour, and everything like that. But I wanna talk about today, what are the cons to day trading? What is it that people don't like about day trading? Because I think that's something that a lot of people really don't talk about and really don't focus in on. So we're gonna have some fun today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let's get to it. Right now, I mean, most of the people already left the house, but there's a few people here. So we're gonna sneak up on them, catch them off guard. You know how fun it is to catch people off guard, especially with the camera, they get all stuck and whatnot. So let's rock around real quick and see who we can find. I think I hear him over there. I stand corrected, I'm not sure if anyone's here. Hello? These are the edits that you can take out. Watch your step, don't die. I think they're outside, in the front. We got our first victims. Hopefully we don't get locked out of the house. Keep the door open. Oh God. Yo. So you guys are our first victims for today's video. Coming out here, we're starting over at the house.
Yeah, what's good?
Yes. So I know you guys have been trading with us for quite some time.
Yeah.
First of all, where you guys from?
Utah.
Salt
Lake City, baby. Let's go.
Salt Lake City, Utah. So real quick, guys, what we're doing is we're going around and we're not getting the pros because everyone already knows the pros. What's the good stuff about trading? What are 2 things that you hate about trading?
2 things that I hate about trading?
Yeah.
You know, that's why I like binary options, is because you know, I don't like to spend so much time on the charts. You know, it can be time consuming. So, you know, I like binary options, faster pace. So, you know, I don't like spending so much time on the charts, right? So that's one of the parts I don't like. And then the other part is, man.
It gets complicated, right?
Yeah. Because I like trading, man.
Okay, so now let me ask the question real quick, because that's like a big thing for a lot of people, is as a trader, you have to spend a lot of time on the charts.
Yeah.
So you say you trade binary options. Mm-hmm. So with binary options, do you have to spend a lot of time on the charts?
You do not.
You do not. Okay, let's get one more. I'm gonna go to Wendy real quick.
All right,
and then we're gonna come back to you. What do you not like about trading?
I just hate trading. It's just not, but I hate that it's just something that you have to do every day at a certain time, just because I have, you know, I'm doing so much, but
the pure honesty there.
I was trying to get rich overnight, man.
And it didn't happen. It didn't happen at all. What's up? So I'm gonna go to each one of y'all and I want to know, right? Because everybody knows the pros of trading and they're like, you know, the lifestyle, stuff like that on social media. But I want to get from each of y'all just one thing that y'all don't like about trading.
Boring.
All right, you say you have one.
How disciplined you have to be and the relationship you have with money. If your relationship is poor with money, it's straight, like everything is like, that's probably my least favorite.
So in other words, it sucks to be a broke trader, right?
Yeah, you have to have at least some capital so you can have some breathing room. If you're trading with your last dollars, it's probably not the smartest thing. So if you have some breathing room, it makes trading easier. Once you have that breathing room, once you know, not really glued to your MT4 the whole day looking at, because you're over leveraging because you're in the lack of money. So once you have a little bit of capital to trade with, then that's when everything, you know, start breathing a little bit.
Got you. How long have you been trading?
Probably like a year some change.
So one thing that I disliked when I first started was basically having the patience of, you know, looking at the trade, being able to understand, like, I gotta be waiting for the market in order for it to make the move. And that was one thing that was very, like, I disliked because I was a very impatient person.
Right.
But now it's like, once you actually, like, focus and, you know, take the patience to actually, like, analyze the market, you know, it starts to get better.
So having the patience. You, brother, one thing you don't like about trading?
I gotta say losing money.
I think we all don't like that part. So losing money, that was nice and simple. I like that. Time to rock and roll. Yo, real quick. So I need one thing from you, right? Now I know you trade a little bit of both. You trade binaries, right?
Anything that's on the chart, I can trade.
Okay. So he said he a savage. He said he been doing it for a while, and he got the money for it. You know what I'm saying? So one thing, since you've been doing it for a minute, one thing that you do not like about trading.
Yo, if someone can figure out how to withdraw from your demo account, let me know. That's the one thing I hate.
One thing that you hate about trading.
That I still gotta put in work to make money.
So it's active income.
It's active income.
So contrary to belief, you can't just learn the skill and get rich overnight. You have to actively trade.
Actively trade.
And if you don't trade, you don't
make money.
There you go.
First starting off, I would say not fully understanding that it does take time. So, as they said, patience is key.
Patience is key. All right, we're gonna go to y'all. I know y'all just walked over here, but we're going up to everybody, and we want to know for the people, okay? Keep it real, raw and uncut, no motivation. One thing that you do not like about trading.
One thing I hate about trading is when it hits your stop loss and then does what you wanted to do. Like, you feel me?
So those fake outs in the market, it's
Yeah.
like you analyze, everything was right. It goes down, takes you out of the trade, and then it goes your direction.
And then it does what I wanted to do. You feel
I
me?
know a lot of people can resonate with that.
100%.
Let's get it. We're coming over here.
The only thing I don't like about trading is that when I first started, I didn't know what the heck I was doing. And it's just life. When you first start something, you just don't know what the heck you're doing.
Jenny, real quick. Okay. Oh man, I've been following you for a minute. You know, I'm not gonna lie. You know, got to add her on Instagram. One thing that you do not like about trading.
One thing I don't like about trading is when you miss opportunities in the market, right? You can get stuck on being on the charts all day, and wanting to take advantage of, all the potential entries and things like that when you're new. And then when you finally learn how to really maximize your time and perfect your entries without being on the market all the time, it's great.
All right, let's get it. All right. What's going on, brother? So we're going around today asking people, what is one thing that you do not like about trading? Not the good stuff. We need the bad stuff.
Oh, potentially blowing your account. You think you have a good trade set up, and then it goes the entire opposite direction. Next thing you know.
No one likes them blown accounts, man. That's why you need the bomb squad. Implement the bomb squad. So the video was initially supposed to be over, but we just got into the Uber. We're on our way to the Airbnb right now, and coincidentally, the Uber driver recognized us. I'm super excited. I want to get this thing going with him, and we were actually talking about trading, and he had mentioned something that sparked me to say, you know what? Let's run the video back real quick, and let's get his take on it. So we've been asking people at the convention all day. We know about all of the fun stuff and the glitz, the glamour, and trading. We want to know one thing that you do not like about trading. You can keep your eyes on the road, by the way.
The biggest thing I don't like about trading is losing. But it challenged me. It challenged me to get better.
Let's get it. So straight and direct. He just said straight up, he does not like to lose. Let's get it.
Feel just like a rock star.